Every place on Earth has a time zone, telling you what hour it is. Except for one entire continent. Antarctica, the vast frozen land at the bottom of the world, has no official time zone of its own. Here is why this strange situation exists. Time zones on Earth are based on lines of longitude, which run from the North Pole to the South Pole. As you go around the globe, these lines spread out near the equator, but they all squeeze together and meet at the poles. And Antarctica sits right on top of the South Pole, where all the world's time zones converge into a single point. This means that if you walked in a small circle around the exact South Pole, you would technically cross through every single time zone on Earth in a few steps. Since all the time zones meet there, no single one makes sense for the continent. So which time do people in Antarctica actually use? Antarctica has no permanent population, only scientists and researchers staying at various stations. And they solve the problem in a practical way. Each research station typically just uses the time zone of the country that operates it, or the time zone of the country they get their supplies from. So different bases on the same continent can be on completely different times. The result is a whole continent with no unified time, where the hour depends entirely on which base you are standing on. Isn't that incredible? Comment below.